grade 8 JVM.
My name is Malash Koda from grade 8 JVVM. My name is Viresh from grade 8 JVVM.
Our model name is Himalayan Mountains. Himalayas are the youngest and highest mountain in the region. It is located in Asia. It stretches across the 5 countries: India, Nepal, Bhutan, China, Pakistan. How Himalayas are formed? Millions of years ago, Indian plate moved and crashed into erosion plate. This corrosion causes the land flooded and rose up. Land flooded, forming the Himalayas. This process is still happening, so that's why the Himalayas are growing few millimeters every year.
Importance of features in Himalayas. Mount Everest is the world's highest peak, 8,848 meters is the Himalayas. There are three parallel regions in the Himalayas. Himadri, the Greater Himalayas, permanent snow. Himachal, Middle Himalayas, like Shimla and Alki. Shivalaki Himalayas, Lower and Footer Himalayas. Source of major rivers Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra and Indus. Acts as a natural barriers protecting India cold wind and inventions. Home to rich forest, wildlife and biodiversity. Period water, fertile soil and hydroelectric power. Climatic influence. The Himalayas stop the cold wind from Central Asia by keeping India warmer. They also possess rainfall by stopping monsoon winds.
Thank you.